Model, 56-plate Volkswagen Transporter, fully loaded camper, plenty of extras, well looked after, spares, OR repairs, body, black, camper, mileage, 184,853 MOT, the 2nd of November 2024, engine, 1,896 cc BRS 102 bhp E4B transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, fully insulated and soundproofed, full-width rock and roll bed, blackout curtains, Apple CarPlay in the front, separate stereo in the back. This van has everything to go on holiday, leisure, battery and 240 hookup, comes with the following: camping table, twin burner stove, with gas bottle, camping